I don't need no stylist. I took a bitch to the islands, I took a bitch to Follies. Don't say what we do in private. If you wanna think.
What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a song slowed plus reverb in Audacity 2021 version. Let's get to it. So you're going to want to pick your song, and let's do robbery because why not. So you're going to want to open the file, and then you click in this box right here. So it selects the whole file, so it's all highlighted, and whatever you do to it is what gets changed. Instead of doing this, only this part would get changed. So you're going to want to click that box so it selects the whole thing. You're going to want to go to change speed and then copy these settings. Do that, you pause the video, whatever, click OK, and then go to effect again, and then you're going to want to go to reverb and then copy these settings, click OK, and then go to effect again one more time, change speed, and then get these settings. You shouldn't have to change them again, these should already be here the first time you did it. But yeah, so basically it's change speed, reverb, and change speed. If you do it a different way or the same thing but in a different pattern, like say if you do reverb, change speed, it'll mess up the audio, like it'll just sound different. So this is the best way to do it. Alright, let's take a look.
She told me put my heart.
Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something off this video. Let me know in the comments if you need any help at all. I'm here to answer them. Love you guys, peace. What's up everyone? What's up everyone? Today we're going to be I'm going to be showing you how to make slowed plus reverb. What's up?
I remember trying to forget, I can't forget you. Got your makeup on my sweater, and I know that it's all over, but memories live forever. For the worse or for